Hello once again. So now you have completed painting all 6 of the warm colors on the 12 hue color wheel, including the regular colors and the intermediate colors. Now, before we get too many twists and things that are painted and rolling around the art room and having a hard time collecting everything, we are going to take those first 6 that you have done and we are going to attach them to the background that you painted, the big black background that you painted, so that those first 6 don't get lost. We're going to staple them on here so they can't go anywhere. Now, for this step, you will need to come to me and ask me to find your black background for you because I have those stored away somewhere. You will also need to have all 6 of your painted twists dry, done and ready. Hopefully you have not lost those. And you will also need a very special tool, Mrs. Gray's special measuring stick. You will need to get this from me because this is going to be vital for the success of your project. Gather up all of those things and I'll show you what to do.
Now, once you have all those things collected, you're going to have to press pause because I forgot to tell you, you will need a stapler and a pencil. So 2 more things, go get them. Now, before we can staple these things onto this black cardboard, we want to make sure that our twists are evenly spread out over our cardboard. That's going to make our weaving process a lot easier. So you're going to use my special measuring stick. You're going to push it up all the way to the very top of your cardboard. You'll notice it is exactly the same length. That's important. So you need to get those edges lined up. Leave a little bit of your black showing at the top. Do you see those red marks? You're going to use your pencil and you're going to mark the cardboard very close to the top on the black every time you see one of those red marks. So something like this. Just a little pencil line, something like that. And that's going to help you get your twists spread out evenly so you know exactly where to staple them. Now, get rid of that. Get rid of that. And let's line up our twist. Now, you do want these to be in color wheel order. I actually don't care which one you start with as long as they all line up. So if I start with red violet, the next color on the color wheel is red, and then red orange, orange, yellow orange, and yellow. But you do not have to be in this order. I could start with yellow and work backwards. Yellow orange, orange, red orange, red, and red violet. So it doesn't matter to me. You decide if you want yellow on the left or if you want yellow on the right. I think I will put it back the way it was. Now, once you have your strips in the order that you wish them to appear, we are going to use a stapler and we are going to staple just one end at the top with a stapler. You'll notice that your twist is a little bit longer than the cardboard, so you want to scoot it so that you have a little bit sticking off of both ends. Place it right over the pencil mark, squeeze it inside that stapler, and press. Do that for each one of them, but only on one side. Remember to stick it off the end just a little. And make sure when you staple it that it's stapling through the black cardboard. Once you have that done, do a double check on the other end and make sure all of the ends are sticking off the cardboard just a little bit. And it would probably be okay if they were equal to the cardboard, but you would definitely not want any of your ends to be shorter than the cardboard. Once you have that step done, you're ready for the next video. But please take this to me and check in.